Because Wizkid, it's my secondary school boy, Kineko. So some people now tell me, how did I know? I said when I was in SS3, I know him, but I never knew he's a big star. If I had known that time, I would have been telling people help me buy this thing for him. Oh, Wizkid, come. Oh yeah, take this thing. Even I can even clean his shoe. If people I don't worry, I never knew him. Online. If I had known, I need to go to school, but I don't pay the minimat. You see that minimat, you should go there to go and get this thing. 7-Up and eja and bread. So Wizkid used to go there. Imagine the paper me phone eja, phone me tó bá fẹ́, phone everything. Tó bá tún jẹ́ baba ní okay, ó yá mo lè gbé sẹ́yìn, mo lè gbé jẹ́ ma gbé lọ class. Tó bá kọ́ di ṣe tó ti blow ṣe ma kọ́ di baba na me be Jimmy that time what my boy come. Bros come, what do you want? But I never knew. But he went to my school, Wizkid, Wizkid Ayomide Balogun. Big Wizzy, let's say Big Wizzy. So that's it. First of all, I would like to thank all my fans. Those people that watch my video, my interview. I appreciate them one-on-one. May God bless everybody. You know me don't go. Because people call me here and there, call me from UK, call me anywhere. Even though if I open my Facebook, my TikTok handle, I saw their messages, they pray for me. And I pray to them I pray for them too, that God will be with them. Whatever they lay their hands upon shall prosper. I really appreciate them because without them there is no me. Concerning to the question you just asked me, I'm planning to come out with my new single. Although I did a video, let's say 7 years back, that was shot by Matmas, Cry No More. Yeah. I did a video, let's say 6 years back or 7 years back, was shot by popular director Matt Mas, and it's on YouTube. But let's say the fund of that video was so poor. You understand? So because I dropped the video on Ip TV, drop it on Nigezie, but due to fund, so they stopped playing the video. So the video was so massive, and people loved the video very well. So that was my first video, Cry No More by Jimmy Crown. It was composed by me. So the song is Oruka ti dowo mama mi kan, put a smile on your face. You are married today, tomorrow no more. Awelewa no junyenu. What the Lord is doing together, let no man put us under. You are my wings, you're my feather. Let me take you wherever. No matter what them saying, you always on my mind. Forget about the side talk, baby, let's unite. And I've been to many places, seen so many faces, seen a lot of ladies, but you no one replace, baby, understand. Say, baby, cry no more. If you do, me, I go do more, yes, so. Baby, don't think otherwise if you go, and I feel paralyzed. Baby, don't think otherwise. Don't let me go far. So the song is, people love the song, but due to promotion stuff, so we have to stop. Although they do play it on Ip TV, play it everywhere, but due to the promotion. So that's the first song that I did. So the second one is Shayo. I'm planning to bring that one out too. Shayo is online, but I've never done proper promotion on it. So we just pray to God that God should see us through. Because you know it's not easy in this industry. If you want to pull out a music, you have to go through something. And promoter is very, very important. So that is what's on ground now. The title of the song is Shayo. The song goes like this. Anything they talk about in Shayo, make it just they dance the beat, you go. Even though they mock, you call them malo. Mr. DJ Jackie beat him malo. Hey, this kind of party where we did today, my brother, make it party tomorrow. But it's tile plenty, you go carry shikala, go forget about your sorrow. Bere kunjo, majo, koron majo. That's all. Everybody come into my party, make you feel alright. If you don't mind, tile plenty, make it just they choose your size. Hey, see the lady shake it, make it done the ding, don't dine. Ode pakuru mo till the morning sun don rise. Baby walangolo brother ma wo sisi yan tight. Yeah. With that big bum she mo gbe shop right. Now so, I don't mind what the Babylon people say mo fe. My music to perform is street to the East in London. Yeah. Oh yeah, waiting be the matter. Ṣé nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó tó ń torí wọ́n gather together. They won't make we scatter. Ajura wa lọ, àmà ọ̀tá dá fire. Tó bá sọ fún ìpáyé burú ó gbẹ̀gẹ́, ó jẹ́ ṣọ́ ní bárìn. Ó jẹ́ mákọ̀ tí kún bọ́ ṣe máa ń bá ìwí toró léwu kò. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí n lọ jìnnà.
Wow.
So that's what's on ground for now.
So Shayo, on which platform can we find Shayo, sir?
You can get it on YouTube, this platform. On every social media platform, I drop it there.
Fine. Initially, you spoke about Max.
Yeah.
How was your encounter with Max been, sir?
Yeah. Max is a nice person, he's a generous person. And Oje also nice, yeah. Ìgbà tí mo ṣiṣẹ́, let's say, ìgbà tí mo parí orin yẹn, mo get the information there. Mo dẹ̀ bá sọ̀rọ̀, ó dẹ̀ ní kò sí wàhálà kékeré àti orin rà. So I went to him, I saw him, I explained everything to him that this is Crying No More. I want to shoot the video. The budget that he gave me, owó tó fún mi yẹn pọ̀, but only but òun like orin yẹn, pé kóun fi ṣe àánú fún mi, kí mú iye báyìí wá. So mo dẹ̀ ní, agbára mi gbé iye tó sọ yẹn pé yóò mọ̀ pé upcoming artist mi. So ló wá ní, tí mo fẹ́ kí fídíò yẹn kó solid dáadáa pé because I talk about marriage affair in that video because ó dàbí orin ìyàwó, káràpọ̀ orin ìyàwó ni. Ṣé mo sọ lórí tí mo ní orúkọ ti dọ́wọ́ màmá mi kan police smile on your face you are married today tomorrow no more. Àwọn mi kàn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ fídíò yẹn because fídíò yẹn ó really try fún fídíò yẹn gan so ó ní iye báyìí ni màá lò fún fídíò yẹn but ẹ mọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ mi tó ṣe ìfẹ́ dídé ń gbà yẹn mo bẹ gan wọn ní òkèké lọ mú iye báyìí wá so mo try mo struggle mo get owó yẹn fún so ó dẹ̀ ní kò sí wàhálà ó dẹ̀ sọ ọjọ́ location fún mi tó ní ó tún explain fún mi ó ní ṣe mọ̀ pé orin ìyàwó ni mo kọ sílẹ̀ pé òun máa dìdí build the location fún tíyàwó máa wọṣọ tí ọkọ máa wọṣọ tó máa wọṣọ wedding stuff ẹ mọ̀ pé I've never done that kind of thing because tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ pé àyè wà ní Fuji world ńgbà yẹn so èmi náà sì understand nǹkan tó mì so bọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ni pé kí n máa bọ̀ lókè ó ní kí n má máa ṣọ kí n kàn máa bọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ níjà ní ká ṣọ wá sí location ni ó ní I shouldn't come with cloth that òun máa owó tí mo sọ yẹn ti ra gba aṣọ yẹn so mo ní kò sí wàhálà so on getting to the location tí mo débẹ̀ mo kàn rí pé mo kàn rí ọ̀lù ńlá yẹn tó tóbi mo lè sọ ti ṣe gbogbo aṣọ wedding everything tí mo ti rí gbogbo èèyàn ti wọ aṣọ ìyá bàbá àti ìyàwó everything wọ́n ti wọ but wọ́n tó wọ́n yàgbẹ́ lọ́jọ́ yẹn ni pé that day that I shot the video was the day Fino put his own video so I never knew but that time I've been hearing about Clarence Peter I've never met him one on one so ìgbà tí mo dé location báyìí that's mo kàn rí pé Clarence ni Clarence Peter lélẹ́yìí mo kàn fi location mi lẹ́ mo lọ bá ní o tí mo lọ dì mú tí mo lọ ká wọn pé number 1 òun àti number 2 lọ́jọ́ wa but tí mo lọ bá mo kàn dé rí convoy Fino tó ń bọ̀ ni gbé convoy yà tó 20 location kọ́kọ́ dàrú náà ni mo pé ó dà pé mi ló máa make ẹ̀ ń diṣẹ́ yìí tí mo ṣe lè rí Fino tó wá sí location mi so but Clarence Peter ló fẹ́ ya video fún so mi ti wà lè jó tíṣẹ́ mi mọ́ mo kàn dé owó Fino mo kò yí ṣe celebrity mi tẹ̀lé owó kan tí mo ṣe mo gbà wọ́n set mi gan everybody they have gone wọ́n kàn wọ́n náà dojú Fino mi náà dojú Fino mo fi lọ bá Fino ni pé kìnìkan so but only it's my time to shoot my video mo kàn padà sí location ni mo wá lọ bá Matmas pé that's Fino pé ṣé orin yìí náà ni wọ́n kọ́ lórí ní sábà Matmas ní orin náà ni pé tèmi náà bá tẹra mọ́rin mi pé èmi náà máa blue so àwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ fídíò yẹn pàtàkì ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ fídíò yẹn mo rí gbogbo ipa tí Matmas kó wọ́n ṣe kọ́ mú yàwó mọ́kọ ìyàwó gbogbo ẹ̀ bí ṣe wọṣọ tí mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo ibi tí mo sọ pé if I go today I will come tomorrow bọ́ iṣu ọmọ yẹn náà tó ń ké orí gan so ó parí fídíò yẹn fún mi inú mi tètè dùn pé mo ti blow bàbá yẹn parí fídíò tán a bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wá wo promo fídíò yẹn kọ́ ló bí i 2 years lọ́wọ́ mi náà ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ promo because kò sówó promo mo láti lọ wá àwọn kan pèrè owó káàkiri lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn ọba náà fún mi lówó nínú owó promo yẹn kí ló fẹ́ ṣe kíní kan Òṣùpá ní nǹkan tá a máa ṣe náà ni pé wọn náà wà tó tẹra mọ́ promo yẹn ni ọba tó fún mi lówó so èmi náà wá wókun mo send owó yẹn fún Patmas so ó dẹ̀ distribute orin yẹn Hip TV Nigeria but ohun tó wá dùn mí jù ni pé mo ti lọ sọ fún gbogbo èrò pé mo ti blow ẹ lọ wo orin mi ní Hip TV o ẹ lọ wo orin mi ní Nigeria o ọmọ ọ ti sọ time tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí play orin mi fún mi mi ti ẹ̀ kúrò lé mo kàn jókòó tẹlifíṣàn ni but ó dẹ̀ máa dágó kan wọ́n play orin aago méjì wọ́n play orin ojú mi tẹ̀ tó kọ́ pọ́n aago mẹ́ta ìgbà tó máa di 4:30 bó ṣe ṣé orin mi nìyẹn mo bá wọn ti ṣó cry no more gbọ́ ọ̀nà pápápápá òrùka ti dọ́wọ́ màmá mi kan will a smile on your face you are married today tomorrow no more awẹ́lẹ́wà lójú yẹn nu so don't let me go far so this shayo is on all the social media platform so I just drop it so my fans you can get me on my IG Jimmy Crown _JC on my TikTok Jimmy Adekunle Jimmy Crown Facebook Jimmy Adekunle so I'm still singing we just need people that can sponsor us to and to make us okay so that's it.
Wow. Ó lọ́rọ̀ kan tẹ́ sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ tí mo like kẹ́ ṣàlàyé fún wa dáadáa. Ẹni ETV play orin yín just 2 times. Kí ló fà náà like sanwó pé ni àbí kí ló dé gan-an?
Bí mi ṣe feel ni pé that time to my own stuff I paid for a month and I paid my GC for a month but suddenly he just played me 2 times but when I got there they said he didn't pay them.
Wow.
I don't know. The day I went there they told me I sat down on the floor started crying because mo ti blow and this money that I used to do this sponsoring stuff it's not my money it's just people that help me do stuff so and I went to Nigeria too they told me they just brought your song due to those things the day they told me that they didn't give them money I was crying because it's not easy to promote your music without getting any promoter so mo kàn ní pé o life o lele kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí ṣe ma tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni but èmi fúnra mi ò iṣẹ́ ọ̀lẹ mo kàn rò pé ìyẹn ti lọ nìyẹn and I started doing another thing ṣé ìrọ̀sán àbọ̀ nínú orin kan náà ni mo ti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kọrin yẹn mo ní who wan stop the person we go don pull higher no matter what they try to do then go catch fire èèyàn mi no man can stop God has given blessing wọn kàn lè dẹmọ tíráká láti fọwọ́ ago sẹ́yìn ó tọ́lọ́ lógì ní fojú jẹ́kun kò lè ṣe bí ẹkùn láéláé kò dé lè ṣe bí ẹkùn láéláé no man can stop God has given blessing ìgbà fọlọ́run mà ní sinmi o mo wá ní mi ò gbọ́ rí ajá ń pẹkùn níjà blowing not drilling or we marry trigger mi ò ṣeré this one no be small matter àmọ̀tẹ́kùn gbọ́n wọn bí ọ̀dà kan gbé náà wojú ẹ̀ Jimmy ní kọ́ má ṣàfarawé this one no be one thing ẹgbẹ́ iṣu kọ́ níyàn ọmọdé yìí ò finá ṣeré no better yesterday he used to abidi dán fílẹ̀ fún wọn kí ló bá dé because we know the yan akíṣẹ́ ọmọdé don't you know say e don tey mo ti wà tipẹ́ láyé plantation boy see as still dey remember how I used to rock the show you came to watch your master see them put you for backstage as they made the road dey rough for tough iṣẹ́ kan lówó kan gbàgbé na God grace see dem be the condemned player àwọn nàṣìlẹ̀ lè má dẹnu fa no fear àbí the real father that's why I said the marry not too offer bible sef don talk am surely dem go gather surely dem go all scatter fi mí lẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n máa para all man go ask me say na who born the maga gbàgbé ẹ̀ gbogbo Jimmy bàbá ìgboro mọ̀ mi ò dẹrùn èmi gan ni swagger we don mark biggie hold up baby go scatter who wan stop this then no fit stop this masaga this what about anybody can just do shit. So this one is I'm planning to bring it out.
Wow, this is not out yet.
It's not out yet. I'm planning to bring it out. The title is God Mercy.
God Mercy.
Yeah, it's God Mercy. So mo sọ ní tí mo sọ pé mo ti wà tipẹ́ láyé plantation boys here still dey that time I love plantation boys. Yeah. So I was in Ijebu the time they used to sing I just can't get you out of my mind. Think about you all the time. It's a mystery to me where I think of the thing where they do me. Baby, can't you see that you knock me off my feet? So that time, I was in Ogun State that time. So I used to listen to them. Baby, since so first time I met you, I knew that you are the place in my life. And that's true. Since we were what can explain what you do to me? Oh no, I feel like say I dey falling inside an ocean so blue and so pure right now. I know I don't go fit in there, that kind of thing. So I used to listen to them. I had to look for them. Their first producer was Nelson Brown. Nelson Brown was their producer. I had to look for them to get them in Lagos. I was staying in Lagos State too. When I got to Lagos, I asked people that I wish to know Nelson Brown. People took me to his office, and he was the one that first produced my song. That time, about let's say 18 years ago. So I will be waiting for Plantation Boys to come to studio. But Two-Face don't used to come to studio. It's only Blackface and Face. So I'll be looking at her, come on, see Blackface. I will be asking them, I have Face, Blackface. Baba, where's Two-Face now? He said, he will join us very soon. So I try to follow their step too. Be looking at them. For whenever I told me that the Plantation Boys come to studio, I will go home. So after I see them, I go back to Ogun State. So Nesse Brown produced for me, let's say for like 4 years. He did production for me, Nesse Brown. After Nesse Brown, I now met this guy is a producer, Prophet that did Yahoo, Yahoo. He produced for me too. So after that, with that time, I used to see Azidos, Sedo Paparella. Azidos, Sedo Paparella at that time. So they were the one that first produced my first track. Before I started producing another person. So Nesiba, he do advise me because I love Plantation Boys. You understand? So that was why I said inside the song that I said, don't you know say you don't take motivate Plantation Boys see I still there. You understand? Remember how you used to rock the show, you came to watch your master, see them put to you for backstage. I see they made the road for tough for you, say call who come back me. Now God grace. So I really love them.
So that time, like, how old are you?
I'm 5 years old. I was 5 years old that time. Don't let me bust my head outside, don't worry. But I was small that time. I was small.
So who was paying for those productions?
It was one of our brother that believes in me. They call him Sonya, or Taimoye Sonya. He was one that sponsored the Tinubu song. That I thought I did the song for Tinubu. He was one that sponsored that song. Remember that in my first video, I said there was a man that sponsored Tinubu song. That day, I was looking for money to go to Lagos. Let's say I had 200 naira with me. So I was looking for 300 naira, making 500. So if I go to Ijebu, to Lagos, I'll come back with that money. But if I go with that 200 naira, I won't be able to save money to come back to Ijebu. So that man, I didn't know him. I want to go and see my friend. They were doing a party. So I want to go and beg for money. So I can use it to hide with the 200 naira with me. So when I got there, so those people started telling me, Jimmy, sing for us. So that's what I sang that day when I was young. Is you turn my world around, you make me feel alright, ìwọ gangan ni. Oh, it's only you, ìwọ gangan ni. Ìwọ ni, no one can take your place, I'm telling you. Gangan ni. So that was our old school song that I sang for those my friends. So that man was there looking at me, say, this is a great talent. What have you been doing? This guy got talent. Then I said, I can sing. And I told him that I'm looking for money. I want to go to Lagos to go and record. I want to go and meet Nesse Brown. I said, no worry. If the money he first gave me was 500 naira. He gave me 500 naira. So I had the 500 naira with 200 naira on me. That was how I met the man. That was the man that sponsoring my trip to Lagos to go and record with Nesse Brown. So Black Family used to come there. Asados used to come. Babadi used to come to the show that time. You understand? But nevertheless, we don't relent until we still keep moving because we thank God for where we are today. We thank God because we are moving. But it's only God intervention. When I sang this song, so I said, nobody supernatural. It is only God doing intervention makes some people rise. And you make sure say you box your shoe tight. And you make sure say you box your shoe tight before some people start to tell you say shoe get size. And I said, what is it? Some people don't rise. They forget the people who have make us a little light. They forget say it's not easy to be a hero. Farabale, ìgbà nìkan ó lè tàn to zero. Ṣùgbọ́n mẹ́ta tó dá ẹ padà sí ìlú ghetto. Ìwà àìlára ni tẹ́lọ́rùn ló jẹ́ kó máa borrow. Now who say we no go rise and top? Yes, so that's why we say who won't stop the person we God don't put higher. No matter what they try to do, then go catch fire. And you mean no man can stop God has given blessing. Work on the demo talakalati for what I go saying. Otolologi ni fojú jẹ́kun kò lè ṣe bí ẹkùn láíláí. Kò lè ṣe bí ẹkùn láíláí. No man can stop God has given blessing. Ìgbà fọ́lọ́run mà ní sinmi o. So, mo ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn.
Wow, are you still in communication with that man actually?
Yeah, but it was not like before. But we see helping him. He's now in Ogun State. I mean, Abeokuta. He do call me because he has spent a lot on us, and I can't like me. I don't hide people. If I should calculate the money the man spent on us that time, I can say he spent over, let's say, close to 2 million. Because he was the one that sponsored our campaign song to Tinubu. He sponsored me too. he sponsored my group too. And we thank God we repay him back, but we have not repaid him. Even inside the interview that you did for me, I go through all the comments. I saw one man. He said, I'm looking for Jimmy Crown. That I was the one that edited a campaign song that he did for Tinubu at Silverbed. That was a sound, the radio station they turned to Sound City now. It was Silverbed stuff, Silverbed radio. It was rhythm that time. So I was staying at the back of that place. I was staying in Lekki before. I was staying with one woman at Lekki. So we used to go to the Jam show. You see that the Jam show? Plantation Boy used to come there. Mandy, Daddy Shoki, Black Family, South Sultan. May his soul rest in perfect peace. So a lot of artists used to come there. So we used to climb the stage too to go and perform. So that man said he's looking for me. That he edited a video we shoot of Tinubu. I saw and I messaged the man that this is me. I still do. Baba, I still do. Because the man tried for us. He collected, let's say, 18,005 from us that time, and then he charged us 50,000. We begged him because he was working with Redeem that time. It was what I did that. I wasn't the one that paid the money. It was that my brother that I said he has been helping us. So yeah, Otemoye, that paid this money that time. I told that man, sir, you're trying. He said, I will not be relenting because I know you have talent. I know one day you get there. So the man has been trying for us. So whenever I call me, whatever I get, because not until you become somebody you can help people that help you. I don't think you understand me. If you call me that, Jimmy, I want to do, I will just sit down and think that if this man had not used his money to help us, if I have used that money to invest on land now, will I become a big billionaire? Do you understand? So any amount I have in my account, I'll just send it to him. Because that time he used to feed me. I pray God help me to help this man. This man have tried for us, go. I will help him. I pray God should help me. He saw the video now. He said, well done, my boy. The first video that I did, said, well done, my boy. I still believe in you. I believe in you. Well done, my boy. And he has given back to, let's say, 5 children now in one room. Yeah. So we know God will help us. But we thank God where we are today.
So you spoke about some artists that usually come to the same studio that you were. All those artists, is there anyone you literally worked with? Like Two-Face. You mentioned like Two-Face.
Hey, Baba. Hey. Baba. The first time I saw Two-Face was the day he came to DTD Jam show. You know, they were the one, Plantation Boys were the one reigning that time. The one is on the so ọjọ́ tí máa rí Two-Face ọjọ́ tí mo kọ́ máa rí ní DTD Jam show. Àwọn ló ń wá gbòòrò gbọ̀ngbà Plantation Boys. So our house is not far from that place. Kò jìnnà sí DTD Jam show, ilé wa ò jìnnà síbẹ̀. Ọjọ́ tí máa rí. So all artists are perform, gbogbo artists dey perform. Àwọn lọ́wọ́ ń dúró dé, next brand ló máa mú wọn wá. So wọ́n kọ̀ pé we now call on Plantation Boys, àwọn ní ó kù tó dúró dé. Tó kọ̀ gba mic, hi, somebody say Plantation Boy, hi, everybody say, whoa, everybody shout, gbàgbọ́ kọ́kọ́ lágbèbọ̀ lẹ́ni. Àjọ ìmọ̀ ọmọ àdúgbò pé yé, sí bàbá o. Èrò pọ̀ gan lọ́jọ́ yẹn, inú mi dùn gan. I never knew that I would assist him in that studio. So I'm having a session with Nelson Brown, second day. So bí wọ́n studio by last one, lókọ̀ wà ní studio. Ìgbẹ́ náà kọrin kan pé ń gbà pé baby girl you are the one and only. Méjàjà knows him if you play someone above you. When I take it about your loving I go crazy. Cause if that you love my love won't be easy. Baby girl you are the one and only. They were mixing that song that time. I saw him. See, hey, this is Two-Face Baba. We bought about last one lucky. Two Baba. He said, how far my guy? How you did? But okay man drop where you know he has fame. But okay last one, Baba can't get out to me. I love him. I love Davido. I love Wizkid. I love Ashaka. I love everybody.
So she was wrong back Sherry or anything like that.
Easy. That time it's not easy. You know, Plantation Boys that time it's not easy to see. Because he don't used to come to studio. It's only black face and face used to come. So maybe the fame is small. Whenever I want to come and sing, he look around before he has fame. So it's only him I saw that they want to call him Uri. kò sáwọn group ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bí wọ́n back up àwọn iṣẹ́ tó ti ṣe sílẹ̀ so bí fẹ́ẹ́ lọ́ba ìlànà ìgbàmú ni pé tú bàbá you no go go ó ní my guy how you dey now and they were using Benz clean Benz ló ń lò Benz ló gbé wá wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń lo cellular ló ń lò bẹ́ẹ̀ kò tí ì sí phone there was no phone that they used to old cellular so immediately I greeted him he hold me my guy God bless you God bless how you dey yes so he enter his car so after that ìgbà tí mo ti wá dáwà mo ti pàdé ẹ̀ ṣó bí ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì mo ti pàdé I met him at above I went to go and meet him one-on-one they snap us together but at in the one-on-one conversation but he's a great man he's my mentor. I wish to work with Two-Face I wish to work with Two-Face I wish to work with Davido I wish to work with Wizkid because Wizkid he finished from my school Ijebu grammar school so I never knew when I left Ijebu grammar school I used to tell my friend that Wizkid is from Ijebu grammar school that he went to the school I went to. People don't believe me. I said, and I show some people that see his trouser, they don't believe it. But the day he came to Ijebu, that I saw him with a King Waswahinde, they now took him to Ijebu Grammar School. He passed through audiovisual, he passed through the hall. That he was passing through the hall. He saw all those borders. He was talking to them. And I called my friend. Okay, my friend now called me that, Jimmy, it's true. I said, it's my old school. I mean, I'm not going to put it. He came to my school now. That is my secondary school boy. So some people now tell me, how did I know? I said when I was in SS3, I know him, but I never knew he's a big star. If I had known that time, I would have been telling people help me buy this thing for him. Wizkid, come. Oh yeah, take this thing. Even I can even clean his shoe. If people are don't worry, I never knew him. If I had known, I need to call school by don't pay the mini mart. You see that mini mart, you used to go there to go and get this thing. 7-Up and ẹja and bread so Wizkid used to go there in ma ṣe tọpẹ bá mi fún lẹja ẹ fún ní mọ̀mọ́kọ́ tó bá fẹ́ ẹ fún everything tó bá tún fẹ́ tọmọ bá ní òkè ó yẹ mo lè gbé sẹ́yìn mo lè gbé jẹ́ kí n máa gbé lọ class tó bá kọ́ di nísìnyí tó ti blow sí i máa kọ́ di bàbá na mi be Jimmy that time wọ́n kọ́ di my boy come bros come what do you want but I never knew but he went to my school Wizkid Ayọ̀mídé Balógun Big Wizzy let's say Big Wizzy. So that's it.
So nísìnyí ṣe máa ní pé ẹ ti forin Fuji sílẹ̀ pátápátá ni and ẹ ti focus ní hip hop nísìnyí àbí ẹ máa ń ṣe méjì.
Kí n kan Fuji tẹ́lẹ̀ ìwúlẹ̀ fún Fuji sílẹ̀ ṣé mo mi kí n kan Fuji.
Ok iye tẹ́ ṣe pẹ̀lú.
Tí mo ṣe pẹ̀lú kíní yẹn.
King Wasiu.
Tí mo ṣe pẹ̀lú King Wasiu. Oh. You know, Fuji, what we did with King Waswahinde was a campaign song. When His Excellency Fashola was on throne, happens to be when it was our Lagos State governor. So they want to do second term. So we had the opportunity to participate in that campaign. So King Waswahinde sent for us. Atoche was the one that took us to that place. So we did a campaign for Fashola on stage. So after that, Tashi campaign we left. So Fuji, I know how to sing Fuji very well. I learned that from King Saheed Osupa. You understand? Because you know, so I learned that tone of Fuji. Tonation of Fuji, I learned it from King Saheed Osupa. So whenever I want to sing, maybe for Shaka sing. Mo lè lọ sínú orin King Saheed Osupa kí n fi kọrin ṣé you understand because mo learn Fuji lọ́rọ̀ èèyàn ti wà pẹ̀lú wọn ọdún tí èèyàn bá ti wà pẹ̀lú èèyàn kò sí ní kí èèyàn máa kọ́ ìṣe wọn ṣé you understand but some people ask me that I should be singing Fuji it's not my line I can't be singing Fuji but if I don't know use Fuji I can use Fuji inside my lyrics like one song that I'm cooking the song tí mo yẹ ṣe tó ń sìn mo fi Fuji sí náà tí mo ní ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn náà mo ro náà lọ́rọ̀ ayé náà ni pé àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé ó ti sọ àwọn get ara wọn ó ní ṣé kò lọ pokùnso ni ẹ má pokùnso gbogbo nǹkan báyìí ó nídìí kéèyàn ní sùúrù kéèyàn dẹ̀ máa gbàdúrà sọ́nà kó dẹ̀ máa ṣiṣẹ́ kárakára ẹni yẹn wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ lọ́jọ́ ẹlọ́kàn bá mi sọ́kọ̀ jókòó tí mi ló ní Jimmy ó ti sóhun bóun ṣe wà yìí o Nàìjíríà yìí ráìsì wọn kìíní kan tí wọ́n mú ní wọ́n fix Nàìjíríà ni pé Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí wọ́n ṣe fix ẹ̀ kó bá gbogbo alára mu má ṣe ra ilé ṣe mo wá lọ gbé báyìí rò pé kí ni mo lè fi advice àwọn kí ni mo lè fi yí àwọn èèyàn lọ́kàn padà mo wá ní my guy I know say it's not easy. You need to find something to do to get yourself busy. Not forget you, when you get yourself busy, You don't need to carry the way with another person. FEC. Oh, them I don't know. It is their own season. No matter situation, everything they shima easy. But if they tell you say you easy in a setup, if you then promise you money, then go mess up. So, my brother, wake up, get up, rise up, share up. No, the you most of your life to do press up, money. Although the road is rough and tough, but don't let them piss you off. Cause you know you be on top someday. All I believe in is no matter what you get there. Because them tell you say them day for you. Ó wá fẹ́ máa sùn lé. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi day for who day for you. Ọ̀pọ̀ ló ti fi rán ló ayé. Ó jẹ́ má fara tàti bàbá òfojújọlé ní kì í ṣe lé. Tó bá rí ṣe láyé ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ tó ráyé ó fẹ́ ní fọ́rọ̀. Wọ́n kàn lè fojú fẹ́ ni kọ́ má fọkàn fẹ́ ni. But do you never know where you go with my brother take am easy. Mo wá ní let us dance and forget about your sorrow. Come on, put on your dancing shoe and dance and dance. Let us dance and forget about your sorrow. Come on, let's dance, dance, dance. Gbàmù ṣe bá gbé Fuji wọlé pé ọmọ mi kí ló fẹ́ tó bá fẹ́ dán ọlọ́lá láyé ń bí o láti ṣe sùúrù gan ni wọ́n ní. Kéèyàn tó dán ọlọ́lá láyé ń bí aṣẹ́rú ọlọ́lá ń gbà kan àbẹ̀bí bẹ́ẹ̀ bá bó onídàn wọn àríwí. Kò ṣerú ọlọ́lá oníbọn ṣó lè borí ọlọ́lá láwùjọ ni àbẹ̀bí ẹ bá bó onítàn wọn àrí wíwí. If I tell you say easy una set up, if I dem promise you money wọn kò fi gbé wọlé bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀kalẹ̀ kọ́tà lè ṣe nìyẹn yẹn kàlọ́ wá gbé mẹ́rin máa kọ fún jí èèyàn kọ́ ní àǹkó fún jí èèyàn kan máa ní olùtúnyàn kan ti kíkọ́ máa kọ́ máa kó máa gbé iṣẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ yẹn nígbà tó jíṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn ṣiṣẹ́ tara ẹ̀ kò jẹ́ kó rí ẹ tó bá máa lo Fuji kan á lo túnú wọn kò dẹ̀ ló ń bẹ̀ ó yá fúnù wọn lò ní kó náà fi jẹ lọ ó kàn lè má gbé bàtà máa ló ń kọ́ nìyẹn kan máa yẹ o ti ń jalè sọ́dọ̀ yẹn kan nìyẹn ò ní ìdẹ̀ you understand so no doubt ó dàbí ọkọ̀ tí mo kọ ni pé mo kọ Fuji kan tí mo kọ mọ́ tí mo ní ó yẹ ká mọ̀ yàtọ̀ nù iṣẹ́ àdáni pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ àyanjú ràn yàtọ̀ sí iṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́ tí bá ní ká mọ̀ yàtọ̀ nù iṣẹ́ àdáni pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ àyanjú ràn yàtọ̀ sí iṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́ kì í ṣe pé ká fi iṣẹ́ ta mọ̀mọ́ ní táyé mọ̀mọ́ ní kì í ṣe pé ká fi iṣẹ́ táyé mọ̀mọ́ ní ká fi yẹn sílẹ̀ ká fojú kòkòrò ká fi gbéṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́ ó lè ní yé fi iṣẹ́ táyé mọ̀mọ́ tó fi yẹn sílẹ̀ tó lọ fojú kòkòrò tó fi lọ gbéṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́ ìwà ọ̀dàlẹ̀ nìyẹn ó fi iṣẹ́ táyé mọ̀mọ́ ó fi yẹn sílẹ̀ ó lọ fojú kòkòrò olè ó fi yẹn lọ múṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́.
ẹ náà lè kọ ilé yìí.
nǹkan ọ̀rọ̀ náà rìn ẹ bá yà kí n sọ jù ìwé mo kọ ọmọ wa kápálà náà kò sí tá à ń ṣe náà ọmọ ṣàánú wa.
Wow. So kí ni plan sin kí ni next plan yín sin.
My next plan is to promote my song to go higher than this. Kọ́nà fún wa ní promoter tó lè help wa because in your leadership no matter how good you are you need someone that will lift you up. Tan plan sin kọ́nà bá a ṣe kọ́nà rán wa láàánú sí wa. Èèyàn dá ṣe nǹkan Ọlọ́run ló máa ń rán láàánú sí yàn. So káà náà lè ran àwọn tí ó ti gbé wa láti ilẹ̀ ká lè rántí wọn kọ́ má rí wa bí àfibíṣó lóore. Because King Dr. Saheed Òṣùpá respect to my father he really help us. Ìbá kan lóra gbogbo bàbá owó mo ní ọmọ ọyá máa bọ̀ kí ló fẹ́ wá gbà wọ́n yìí fún mi lówó pàtàkì láti UK àbí láti Amẹ́ríkà wọ́n yìí pè mí ọyá wọ́n ti dé ṣọ́ wá gbowó. Bàbá mi ni àwọn tá a fẹ̀yìntì nìyẹn Ọlọ́run lè ní ó jábọ́ bàbá Súlíà ò ní jábọ́ bàbá ẹ̀ ní jábọ́ láṣẹ Èdùmàrè bàbá wa ni àwọn tó ń help wa ni King Dr. Larry Tẹríba ẹ̀ ní jábọ́ bàbá mi Genesis Global Tuale my prophet olórí kan tí mo ṣe fún bàbá jẹ́ kí n kọ́ fún wọn mo ní ẹ̀ńtọ́ lọ́run dání fọ́lọ́run ṣọ́ àkàndá adẹ́dá ní Genesis unstoppable a grace carrier ló ká kò sí tó ń ṣe sí i tó bá lówó mọ́ṣọ́ mọ́tọ́ lọ́run ṣáá nobody only pass it almighty don't criticize Genesis àyànfẹ́ Ọlọ́run ni it's belong in the ministry when they prophesize us ìjẹ́ ká fi lè bẹ́ẹ̀ ó wà lọ́nà.
ẹ ṣe lè sọ ìtàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bá Genesis and journey yín pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ náà.
Journey mi pẹ̀lú Genesis ó gùn gan mo journey mi pẹ̀lú wọn náà mo mọ̀ wọn mo pàdé wọn ní concert náà ni wọ́n wà ní church náà ni mo ti rí wọn mo lọ bá wọn mo dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún wọn àbàbà wọn I like you sir kìnìún kan all they pray for me God bless you my son so ẹ jẹ́ ká fi yẹn lọ́jọ́ mi ẹ jẹ́ ká fi yẹn lọ́jọ́ mi jàre ó di ọjọ́ mi bàbá mi àgbàlagbà ni bàbá mi great prophet ni àbágbàlagbà.
And àwọn fans wọn máa like láti mọ ẹni tó ń gbàdúrà fún ẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ sọ fún wa ẹjọ.
bàbá àgbàlagbà ni ṣáàmà mi nìyẹn so mo mọ̀ wọ́n through concert kan tó ń ṣe kò sí èdè lọ kí wọ́n mọ̀dọ̀ máa lẹ̀ fún bàbá ṣe wà pàṣà ó dẹ̀ ní how are you my son ó dẹ̀ gbàdúrà fún mi àtìgbà yẹn mo ti máa ń lọ sọ́dọ̀ wọn even though gan gbogbo time kan tó jẹ́ pé mo tẹ̀ ní ìdówó mo fẹ́ ṣe àwọn kan àwọn náà support mi nínú music career mi wọ́n ní kí wọ́n bá wọn lọ fún ìsìn wọn fún mi lówó tó fi support mi nígbà tó fẹ́ ṣe fídíò mi fún àti ìgbà tó ti fún mi lówó yẹn báyìí lásán ìgbà yẹn Ọlọ́run ti ń ṣe ìyanu he's a great prophet so àwọn náà ṣàánú mi gan wọ́n dẹ̀ back me up so kọ́ ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn bàbá ńlá ni wọ́n àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ká dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àtọ́ríṣe kì í dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ King Saheed Òṣùpá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Prophet Amos náà Genesis is a great man to my life a great prophet so wọn náà máa ń support mi gan wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń advice mi gan 247 Jimmy ṣe báyìí apart from pé wọ́n jẹ́ prophet motivational speaker ni wọ́n máa advice mi Jimmy báyìí lọ̀rọ̀ ilé ayé ṣe báyìí má kọjá ayé èyí báyìí ni kò gbà tí bá ṣe nǹkan báyìí lọ́ máa pè mí wá you are my son don't do like this má bá yàn jà ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ má dẹ̀ fún mi ládùúrà èèyàn ńlá ni wọ́n dẹ̀ nice gan wọ́n máa ń kóyàn mọ́ra wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣàánú gan àbá ńlá ni wọ́n ṣe mọ̀ pé oníkálukú pẹ̀lú ibi tó bá dá sí wọ́n lè má dá sọ́dọ̀ títí lọ́dọ̀ tèmi wọ́n dá sọ́dọ̀ tèmi wọ́n ti ẹ̀ dá sẹ́bí wuyẹ̀ ni sọ lọ́wọ́n bá máa gbé wọn ga sí jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
So back to your music career and sing ẹ ti sọ fún wa pé ṣáyó ẹ ti ṣe ṣáyó already.
Yeah mo plan láti go further about it.
So bí kí lẹ fẹ́ gangan like ṣé ẹ̀ ń dúró de marketer promoter and record label ìbò gbogbo lẹ need.
We don't in our own hip hop aspect we don't look for marketer. We look for is either label or promoter or manager. Because you can't do it alone. You understand? You can't do it alone. Ó dàbí orin tí mo ṣe tí mo post fúnra mi táwọn label bá bẹ fọwọ́ bà máa dín ńlá so kọ́ lọ́n darí label sí wa or promoter or olùrànlọ́wọ́ àyàn mọ́. You understand? Nǹkan tá a nídìí nìyẹn so ká lè tún ju bá ṣe wà lọ nǹkan tá a fẹ́ nínú music career wa nìyẹn ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run máa ṣe because mo rí táwọn èèyàn náà sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé I want this guy to go up like this kìíní kan Ọlọ́run máa ṣe máa kún fàdúrà fáwa náà àwa náà ti try nínú industry náà kọ́lọ́run kan fún wa ní a good promoter a good label and any fuck up.
label wọn lè máa láì.
label tó bá ti wá ni.
ìwọ ló wù yín jù.
gbogbo label ló wù mí mo jẹ́ YBN ló wá inú mi á dùn mo jẹ́ OBO ni mo jẹ́ Wizkid ni mo jẹ́ Don Jazzy ni ìtọ́lọ́ máa ti kọ kádàrá yọ̀ ọmọ ni ètò bá ti wá ìtọ́lọ́ máa ti kọ kádàrá yọ̀ ọmọ léèyàn máa ṣe mi lè nójú mi ìtọ́lọ́ máa ti kọ kádàrá yọ̀ ọmọ ni all of them are ètò tọ́lọ́ máa ti kọ kádàrá yọ̀ ọmọ ni mo jẹ́ YBN mo jẹ́ Starboy label mo jẹ́ OBO label mo jẹ́ Don Jazzy mo jẹ́ Mavin bó jẹ́ bíi tají bgs ìtọ́lọ́ máa ti kọ mọ́yàn ìtọ́lọ́ máa ti kọ ó lè wá bí kan tọ́lọ́ máa kọ mọ́yàn ó lè wá bí báyìí kọ́ lọ́n kọ mọ́ bó ìtọ́lọ́ máa kọ mọ́ wa tọ́lọ́ bí dèpò máa bá tó máa sweet kádàrá yọ̀ nìkan lọ́n darí sí wa tọ́lọ́ ṣe darí Saheed Òṣùpá sí wa tàdé ṣe endorsement tí gbogbo ayé dẹ̀ gbọ́ táyé wá dẹ̀ kúrò ojú kan tó dẹ̀ change ayé mi ṣe understand ṣe ọ̀pọ̀ náà ló darí ẹ̀ sí wa so bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan lọ́n ṣe tó darí níbẹ̀ tó máa báyàn mọ́yàn lọ. You understand? I like YBN, I like all the label, but my buy money on lo. Because Ọlọ́run darí Saheed sí wa, ó gbé wa kúrò ní ibi gbé mi kúrò l'Ogun State, ó gbé mi wá sí Lagos State. Mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ bí tí mo wà lénìí. Pé mo mọ Saheed Òṣùpá, ayé mi ò bàjẹ́ mo dúpẹ́. You understand? Because when God let us locate King Dr. Saheed Òṣùpá, our life moved from where we were to another level. That in dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ King Dr. Saheed Òṣùpá pé he really tried na own career Ọlọ́run adé bàbá gbé wọn ga jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ because ẹni tó ń fẹ́ kí ọmọ kékeré tó fẹ́ dìde tó dẹ̀ fà mọ́ra kálẹ̀ lómi ni kò ní dá lóhùn adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn gan so tí bá tó fẹ́ move from that place to another mo expect kọ́lọ́run ṣàánú mi kó jẹ́ kí n rí right níbẹ̀ tó máa sponsor orin mi torí nígbà náà orin mi kọ́ ni mo ti kọrin kan báyìí nígbà tí mo rí pé mo ní ilé bẹ̀ mo ní I pray to God to give me brain to drain away the pain from the storm in my life torí tipẹ́tipẹ́ that used to can't explain wish I can't even explain but I thank you Lord to make me who I be today no be part of my mind torí wọ́n bí mi nílé ọgbọ́n mo gbọ́n mi ò gọ̀ ọmọ orí mi ò dẹ̀ tún ṣe bí ẹni gbọ́n cause this life is full of mystery my brother can't you see èmi mo ojú mi ti rí ọjọ́ kí n jẹ tọ̀sán kí n má jẹ lówùrọ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ bóyá ni máa jẹ lálẹ́ abọ́jọ́ 000 òwe màmá mi kọ́ mi say my son I'm sorry ó má gbà mí bí ṣe rí ìgbà yẹn mo gbàgbé gbígbá tọ́mtọ́m tí bá ń kiri wọ́n pààrọ̀ ọmọ ní tọ́mtọ́m ọ̀sìn ní tẹ̀sí yẹn lórí sunburn you catch up from the street then come dey show production jẹ́ ọgbọ́ filẹ̀ ọmọ òun ló ń sọ wọ́n gbọ́ no matter situation don't stop hey you need to hold on to your dream no matter what them do no let nobody confuse you because see nobody perfect time of this game pray to him to give you breakthrough àgbélébùú mi máa rẹ mo ti gbé dání mo mọ̀ pé wọ́n á ní lánàá ní fabẹ́rẹ́ yẹn gúnra ẹ̀ òkú tó fi gán orin ọ̀rẹ́ mi kò lè mọ bó ṣe ń rí but you gotta keep your head brother no relax if you wanna make your things high gbàtọ́ lọ́rùn mi parí ìtàn wọn dákẹ́ so àdúrà ni pé ká rí label ọlọ́run ló lè ṣe èèyàn God directed King Saheed Òṣùpá to us to help us so ìgbà tí a mọ King Dr. ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kó bàjẹ́ fún wọn because it really change our life in the parọ́ wọ́n change ayé ti tèmi o mi mọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ mi o ìkan tó bá pẹ́ lómi náà ni gbogbo time ta lọ bá wọn náà kì í ṣe pa ní nǹkan kan bọ̀ ó rí wa pọ́ mọ́ kéré ta fẹ́ dìde ó dẹ̀ ní kò sí wàhálà máa jọ ṣe ní papọ̀ a dẹ̀ ṣe endorsement ó dẹ̀ blow even though kì í ṣe tó bá fẹ́ tí Òṣùpá bá fẹ́ ṣe àbọ̀ orí ó máa ṣe kò ṣe àbọ̀ orí fún wa after ta ṣe orí yẹn tán King Dr. Saheed Òṣùpá tó fi orí yẹn sí track 1 no 3 in 1 tó bá fẹ́ gbórin látọ̀ wá kọ́kọ́ pè pẹ́pẹ́ jì pẹ́pẹ́ gbòǹdùn gbàngbàngbàngbàngbàng gbẹ̀dú ti ṣẹlẹ̀ kọ́yọ̀ pàdé make we dance tó bá sọ pa òun wa ó yá já sí pọ́ ọmọ yá pàṣẹ Saheed Òṣùpá with the high boys too now we get the show àló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ kọ́yọ̀ pàdé make we dance mi ò gbọ́ tó bá sọ pa òun wa a ní kò já sí pọ́ ọmọ yá pàṣẹ king of music with the high boys too lomi ìgboro mo dé bí mo ṣe ń dé Òṣùpá Saheed mi mo dé bí mo ṣe ń dé Òṣùpá ẹ ti mọ̀ mi tẹ́lẹ̀ track 1 ọ́fíìsì ìyẹn ni pé wọ́n ṣe orí fún wa orú orí tó ṣe fún wa yẹn kò wọ́pọ̀ kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ ká tún rí lébẹ̀ mi náà tó máa ṣe orí láṣepé fún wa tí máa fi lè kúrò ní level tí mo wà ní another level